समस्या से समाधान तक विद ज्योतिष डॉक्टर निधि भान। ज्योतिष डॉक्टर निधि भान नॉर्थ अमेरिका की एक ऐसी महिला ज्योतिषी है जिन्हें टैरो कार्ड्स, रेकी, हिप्नोथेरेपी, वास्तु फेंग शुई और पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन में भी महारत हासिल है। फॉर द मोस्ट एक्यूरेट, प्रोफेशनल एंड कॉन्फिडेंशियल रीडिंग्स कॉल नाउ 1-888-266-5152. Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan provides all astrology related services, gemstones, mantra meditation, Reiki tarot workshops, all under one roof in her Canada based office at 2985 Drew Road, Unit 203 in Mississauga, Ontario. Toll free 1-888-266-5152 or drnidhibhan.com.
समस्या से समाधान तक कार्यक्रम में सभी दर्शकों को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार. Welcome all of you, and as you know, we have been talking about tarot card readings. We had discussed it yesterday too, and we will continue into the same topic today too. Tarot card reading comparatively एक नई टेक्निक है फ्यूचर को जानने के लिए, and the reason why it's becoming very popular right now, that is, it comes with a lot of advice, it comes with a lot of guidance. It is usually a predictive technique that comes with a lot of practical guidance about what you could do better, whatever you're already doing, even if you're doing it well, whatever you can do to make it better, and what you can perhaps stop doing, what you can avoid doing if you are making a mistake in your free will decisions. To do well in life, as we all know, we need the blessings of destiny. We need our planets to be well placed. We need the yogas, we need the Raj yogas. We need the period of those benefic planets which we are able to make the maximum use of to bring good luck to us, to make use of that very positive time to put in our maximum energies to move ahead in life. And then in that time, what are the free will decisions we can make to make our lives better, to get the maximum again out of the good times that we are enjoying through the birth chart, and how to make and subdue the planets and the energies that are not so good. What are the free will decisions we can improve on? What are the energies we can improve on? This is what the tarot basically tells us. Tarot reading की repetitive readings usually इस वजह से ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हैं. एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास आप जब गए तो जो आपका बर्थ चार्ट है उन्होंने आपको एक दफ़ा explain किया. Possibly you will go back for the Varshphal reading the next year. You will try to find your good and bad combinations. आपके क्या दशाएं चेंज हुई इस लाइफ में, आपका वर्षफल कैसा है, ये सब चीज़ें आप perhaps डिस्कस करने अपने एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास हर साल जाते होंगे. But with the tarot reading, it is more of a guiding day-to-day thing, if not day-to-day, at least every 3 or 4 months or 6 months, people come for short readings to focus on whatever is going on in their lives. If astrology is the big vast picture, tarot card is like putting a microscope on your current and present situation. जैसे हम कोई मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास लगा के अभी की सिचुएशंस को हम क्या बेटर कर सकते हैं, क्या चीज़ें हम उसमें कम कर सकते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट वी यूजुअली डू विद द टैरो कार्ड्स. जो एनर्जीज का जहाँ पे इम्बैलेंस होता है, दैट इज वेरी क्लियरली शोन बाय द टैरो कार्ड्स. जहाँ पे पीपल्स एनर्जीज आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रही हैं, आप खुद कुछ करना चाह रहे हैं बट परहैप्स यू आर गेटिंग इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द अदर पर्सन. Sometimes, especially in partnerships, I see that the tarot very clearly defines from the 8th position in the reading that there are people surrounding you who perhaps you are not able to overpower. उनकी जो energies हैं in household situations, it could be say a mother-in-law, a sister-in-law, a father-in-law. At work, it might be somebody who's either a subordinate to you or who is working over and above you as a boss. In any given situation, whatever dominates and wherever the solution is likely to come from, the tarot will very clearly show you those things in a very practical way. जहाँ पर घरों में एनर्जीज नेगेटिव होती है, समटाइम्स इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ अ सिकनेस, इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ यू कैन से नजर और जेलसी और एनवी. जहाँ पर भी एनर्जीज की नेगेटिविटी होती है, दिस इज समथिंग दैट कैन ओनली बी सीन बाय टैरो कार्ड्स. When you do an astrology reading, there can be a mystery for your astrologer and for you कि अगर सब कुछ इतना बढ़िया है, समय भी अच्छा चल रहा है, everything is it should ideally be the best, तो ऐसा क्यों है कि आप अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं? Then the answer will sometimes come from the tarot cards that the energies are disturbed. Perhaps there is so much jealousy, envy, negativity around you. Again, which could be because of earlier sickness which you haven't been able to cleanse out of your homes, which could be because of arguments, which could be because of envy, jealousy. There could be subtle energies that are sitting in your home. These energies could be created by you're living in the household. It could even be coming to you if you're buying an old house. So all these things, again, very easy for the tarot to pinpoint and to guide you about where and how to look for problems, especially जो जहाँ पर हमें समझ नहीं आता है कि प्रॉब्लम इस जातक की, सीकर की कहाँ से आ रही है. If the time is correct, if the kundli should be giving very good results and everything should ideally be fine, there should be a marriage. Even we sometimes see that the girls or the boys are very good looking, they have very balanced personalities, they are very well settled in their jobs, and usually the answer will come from the tarot that the energies might sometimes be disturbed. There might either be some kind of jealousy, envy, there might be an imbalance, even if there is an ego clash or an ego related issue that goes out, ego related energy I should say, that goes out from the person who's seeking help to the person who is coming for matchmaking, जहाँ पर लड़का या लड़की की जो एनर्जी है वो दूसरे के लिए एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं होती. दूसरे पार्टनर को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं इस सिचुएशन को, इसके साथ शादी को हैंडल नहीं कर पाऊंगा, he or she is too good for me. Or perhaps if the person feels that I need this particular kind of person, I need that perfect match. Again, you get a guidance from the tarot about what is going on in the minds, the mental energy, the physical energy, the emotional energy, and the spiritual energy is very well read by the tarot. Again, we are going to take a short break, and when we come back, I'm going to explain to you how these readings are done and how these energies are received by your reader, and how they are explained to the seeker in a very tactful way, so that the seeker is able to get the maximum benefit out of the reading. So see you after a short break.
समस्या से समाधान तक with Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan.
Life is not about problems but solutions, and Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan can help you find those solutions. Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan is a Toronto-based astrologer, tarot-treated Reiki master, Feng Shui Vastu expert, and past life regressor, practicing since last 18 years in North America and Bollywood.
Vedic astrology and tarot cards can solve your problems. Just give me your date, time, and place of birth, and let me tell you what your problem is. जहाँ समस्या है, वहाँ समाधान भी है.
Call 1-888-266-5152. Life is not about problems but solutions, and Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan can help you find those solutions. Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan is a Toronto-based astrologer, tarot-treated Reiki master, Feng Shui Vastu expert, and past life regressor, practicing since last 18 years in North America and Bollywood.
Vedic astrology and tarot cards can solve your problems. Just give me your date, time, and place of birth, and let me tell you what your problem is. जहाँ समस्या है, वहाँ समाधान भी है.
Call 1-888-266-5152.
समस्या से समाधान तक with Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan.
So welcome back after the short break to समस्या से समाधान तक. हम बात कर रहे हैं टैरो की, टैरो रीडिंग्स की. जैसा कि मैं आपको बता रही थी ब्रेक से पहले, a tarot reading very effectively tells you your mistakes. It tells you what you're doing well and how to make it better at the energy levels. This is what the tarot is basically doing. It is reading your energies. Like I have explained to you, when you go to a tarot card reader, they will find your energies first. They will try to connect to your energies first. They will try to connect to the energies of the universe. Once this connection has been successfully made, successfully being the key word, sometimes the tarot reader, for reasons of their own, may not be able to connect to you. Sometimes the tarot reader may not be able to connect to you because the reader who is coming to them is very emotional, they are very disturbed, or there might not be that amount of faith that the tarot reader, because we do take the energy from the seeker also. So if all those things, if all those problems are there, usually a tarot reader will tell you. It rarely happens, let me tell you that. It doesn't often happen that the person is coming to you and they do not have faith in the tarot. And usually the tarot readers do make sure that they have balanced their own energies. They either do Reiki healing for themselves, there is meditation techniques, there is a connection to the inner self that they create for themselves, and they're ready for the reading when the seeker is coming to them. So once all these things have been achieved, a very good reading is possible for the seeker. How the seeker should prepare themselves is by being very focused. They should be able to think of 3 wishes that they would be very happy if they came through. They should be able to visualize those 3 wishes. This is the connection you're forming, the seeker is forming with the tarot. When you shuffle in your wishes into the tarot, you're creating that connection. Your energies are getting conveyed to the tarot. When the spread is done, the tarot is actually telling you कि जो कुछ आपने visualize किया, जो कुछ आप चाह रहे हैं कि आपके साथ घटे, in a good way, it could be marriage, it could be a new job, it could be a job change, it could be the health, wealth, well-being of your kids or a spouse. जो भी आपने विजुलाइज किया है कि आपके लिए सच हो, टैरो रीडिंग आपको ऐसा बताएगी कि ये चीज हाँ या ना में सच होना इसका कितना लाइकली है। अगर ये चीज होनी चाहिए और आपकी कुंडली में है या आपके डेस्टिनी कार्ड्स इसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो ये क्यों नहीं हो पा रही है? क्या आपकी एनर्जीज में, क्या आपकी सोच में, क्या आपके डिसीजन मेकिंग में कुछ ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जिसकी वजह से आप वहां नहीं पहुंच पा रहे हैं जहां पे आपकी डेस्टिनी आपको लेके जाने वाली है? क्या कुछ ऐसे लोग आपके आसपास हैं जो आपके अपने डिसीजंस को हावी नहीं होने दे रहे हैं? कई बार काम पे यू कैन हैव पीपल अराउंड यू who want to take credit for the work you are doing. Again, these energies disturb you. Tarot will tell you how to be able to be dominant in these given situations where you are getting subdued till now. It could be an energy imbalance, it could be the temperament of the person who's coming to seek help from us. So it will tell you very practically. स्पिरिचुअल लेवल पे कई बार एनर्जीज डिस्टर्ब होती हैं. द कार्ड्स विल वेरी क्लियरली शो यू इफ द एनर्जीज आर डिस्टर्ब, वेदर दे आर कमिंग थ्रू डेस्टिनी, वेदर दे आर कमिंग थ्रू something having being happened to you or something having been done in a negative way. So all those imbalances are again showed and indicated very clearly in the tarot reading. And then the next thing to do is, the tarot only predicts. It is not like an astrology reading. The only help you get from the tarot is guiding you in making your everyday free will decisions, in perhaps removing yourself from the people who are a disturbing energy around you, in perhaps changing the way that you are doing your decision making for everyday decisions, like will this business that I'm visualizing, will it be a good business for me? You can get very good help. Hypothetical situations do not work very well with the tarot. जो भी चीजें हवा में हैं उसके लिए आपको बहुत क्लियर आंसर नहीं मिलेगा. यूजुअली योर टैरो रीडर विल आस्क यू, व्हाटएवर यू आर आस्किंग मी इज दैट एक्चुअली टेकिंग प्लेस. अगर आप पूछ रहे हैं कि मैं अगर अपने पिताजी माताजी को यहाँ पे बुलाने के लिए इमिग्रेशन की फाइल लगाऊं, विल दैट बी सक्सेसफुल? दिस इज हाइपोथेटिकल, क्योंकि आपने अभी तक फाइल लगाई नहीं है. उसकी एनर्जीज टैरो, जो चीज एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती उसकी एनर्जीज टैरो नहीं पिक कर पाएगा. सो वट एवर इज इन द प्रोसेस, अगर आपकी फाइल लग चुकी है, अगर आप इमिग्रेशन के प्रोसीजर्स आपके चल रहे हैं, इट विल टेल यू दिस इज वेयर इट इज गेटिंग स्टक, दिस इज व्हाट यू शुड डू. डेस्टिनी से कोई प्रॉब्लम है, आपको सर्प दोष है, आपको कुछ ऐसा इस तरीके के योग हैं कुंडली में, अगेन यू विल हैव अ डोमिनेंट रीडिंग dominated by the destiny cards. So ये सब चीजें इस तरीके की help, then you can go back to your kundli and you can find the problem over there and perhaps you can do something about it. Sometimes you will be doing something wrong. Sometimes for partners the tarot will tell you that it is actually the spouse in whose name the file should actually be moving, and it will move much faster if it is perhaps done in the name of business. So इस तरीके का एडवाइस आपको बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से टैरो से मिलता है. This is why a lot of people, especially from the Bombay industry, considering that I lived there for a very short time, and I have already been back here for almost 13 or 14 years after having gone back from here to Bombay for 3 years. अभी तक 15 साल बाद तक बॉम्बे से ऐसी प्रोड्यूसर्स की, एक्टर्स की, एक्ट्रेसेस की कॉल्स आती हैं दैट दे वांट एवरीडे गाइडेंस अबाउट what would be a good film, what they can do to improve, should they be following their own intuition in whatever role they have, what would be the best way, go with this person for marketing, go with media for marketing, Facebook, whatever their questions are, they are obviously getting very relevant help in their everyday decision making. This is why they are going to tarot. And again, as I come back, I will explain to you by an example how readings are done and how a decision is reached by the tarot card reader to give you advice, and what you should be doing, how focused you could be during the reading, how unemotional, and the more unemotional and undetached you are. So all those things we will discuss when we come back after the short break. So see you on the other side of the break.
समस्या से समाधान तक with Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan.
Life is not about problems but solutions, and Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan can help you find those solutions. Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan is a Toronto-based astrologer, tarot reader, Reiki master, Feng Shui Vastu expert, and past life regressor, practicing since last 18 years in North America and Bollywood.
Vedic astrology and tarot cards can solve your problems. Just give me your date, time, and place of birth, and let me tell you what your problem is. जहाँ समस्या है, वहाँ समाधान भी है.
Call 1-888-266-5152. Life is not about problems but solutions, and Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan can help you find those solutions. Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan is a Toronto-based astrologer, tarot reader, Reiki master, Feng Shui Vastu expert, and past life regressor, practicing since last 18 years in North America and Bollywood.
Vedic astrology and tarot cards can solve your problems. Just give me your date, time, and place of birth, and let me tell you what your problem is. जहाँ समस्या है, वहाँ समाधान भी है.
Call 1-888-266-5152.
समस्या से समाधान तक with Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan.
Welcome back viewers after the short break to समस्या से समाधान तक. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं टैरो कार्ड्स पे. As I had promised you, I will explain to you while doing a reading how the reading works and how you can get the maximum benefit. When you are doing a reading, stay very focused on your questions. You should know before you go for the reading, or even if you're getting a phone or Skype or FaceTime reading, you should know very clearly what you are going to be asking. Stay very focused. Don't let your mind go around. Make sure that you are able to be giving all your energies to the reading itself, not on looking around for questions and for situation. The reading could be about you. It could be about any of the energies that affect you. अगर आप एक ग्रस्त हैं, आपके आसपास आपके बच्चे आपको इफेक्ट करते हैं, आपके स्पाउस आपको इफेक्ट करते हैं, उनकी लाइफ में जो कुछ घटता है वो आपको इमोशनली, मेंटली, फिजिकली, फिनेंशियली इफेक्ट करता है, then you can very much do a reading within your own reading for the energies that affect you. आप अपने बच्चों की, अपने immediate family members की, not your far away, anybody who's living with you and whose life is getting affected by your life, and whatever is going on in their life is affecting you. इन सब लोगों की आप बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से आपको आंसर्स मिलेंगे. बच्चों की रीडिंग, kids who are under 16 are not allowed to sit in a reading when it is done for them, basically because they have very sensitive psyche. They could get either very confident. अगर आपका रीडर आपको ऐसा बोले कि नहीं इनकी तो बहुत बढ़िया रीडिंग आ रही है, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया करेंगे, then kids sometimes they become they will think that they don't need to work hard. As it is, they're getting good results. So a lot of tarot readers, they prefer not to do readings for the kids. The other reason being that kids have very sensitive energies. They can get the negativity or the positivity of the cards Again, you don't want kids to be getting affected by those energies. So try to do the reading for the kids yourself. शादी के जो भी questions हैं, again, if you have the picture of the spouse, it is much better. Even if you're asking the questions, it is much better if you are able to get a picture for your tarot card reader to be able to connect, and leave everything else to the tarot reader. And today I'm just going to show you how to do the reading. So as I shuffle the cards, I'm making my request to the universe to be able to guide me and to be able for me to be able to make that connection to the higher energy so that I can guide well. The question we have picked today is by Ashima. Ashima has asked us, she's a younger girl, she's about 18. She has asked us about her studies. She is working very hard and she wants to get into a particular institution and a particular way of learning. She wants to get into medical eventually, but she has a particular institution in mind where she wants to go. She is working very hard, and this is a question from her mother to see whether or not all her hard work will bear fruit for her. I have excellent card for Ashima. Whenever I get this card off the Fool, basically it tells me this is a destiny card. I would like to explain to you, and destiny is definitely in her favor. I am seeing a very good long-term future for her. I get this card, which is the beginning, which is a swords card. Swords are this card shows me there is a dominant of the mind over all the other things. This is the pages or people's card of a sword. This shows me a person, even though they are young, they have a very sharp mind, and basically the mind dominates over everything else. Right now, if you look at the card carefully, these are the 8 of the cups. Cups are our emotional card. So we see this person who's walking with some support away from whatever they have worked very hard at, perhaps worked very emotionally at, and they feel that in spite of doing all the hard work that I'm doing, I'm not getting the required results. They're not happy with the results. Not to say that the results are not actually good ones. These cups that are arranged, they are very nicely arranged, and whatever is required of them, it will come with time. So I will say that Ashima has put in a lot of hard work, but it is not, she's jumping ahead of herself. She's expecting the results before it's actually time for the results to come. And we do have the Fool card supporting that she will do very well in life. Whenever I have this card, we call it the 9 of the cups, or it is the card of wish fulfillment. We definitely see that there is 100% yes. I can say with a lot of confidence that whatever she is visualizing, she doesn't even need to worry about it a little tiny bit. It will come very easily to her and she will really enjoy. There is a lot of happiness in store for her. King of Cups is a card of a phase she is going through. Whenever it is the Knight of Cups, sorry, it is not the King of Cups, it's the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups will show some kind of good news coming to her. It is a people's card. There is a phase where she will be very happy. She will achieve whatever she wants to, but this happiness may not last forever, because there might be another phase that follows. This card shows a phase that is coming. This basically tells me that Ashima is blindfolded. She cannot see what the truth is, what the real situation is, basically because she's surrounded herself with a lot of stress and tension. All the swords around her are the situations and her mind situations that she has created for herself. Circumstantially, an excellent reading. Long term, it's a very good reading. Destiny cards are very good. People related cards are very good. The cards that convey good news are excellent. But whatever is going on in her mind is disturbing her. It is not letting her get the best of her. She is not comfortable and she is under a lot of stress. That is the only problem I see. But whatever she is visualizing, definitely coming true. So, having said all those things, I would like to remind you that we will be conducting a tarot and Reiki workshop in New Jersey during around the end of this year. So keep watching for the announcement of these courses, and you're most welcome to join if you have an interest in tarot card reading. If whatever I'm showing you, or if you have experience and if you've held the tarot and it has somehow brought up the best in you, it has brought you into that, taken you to that astral plane, if you have been able to connect to the energies of the tarot. If you are somebody who dreams positive, who visits the astral plane, when you dream at night, you have an active subconscious mind and a positive subconscious mind, and you're able to instill other people with your positivity. You have to have that way of talking. If you feel you can do all those things and you have a genuine interest, do call us at all the numbers that are showing underneath, and we will be there in towards the end of this year to conduct a Reiki and a tarot workshop combined. Of course, there will be readings that I will be doing also in New Jersey and New York. So looking forward to seeing you all. I will say goodbye for today. See you all later on. God bless you.
समस्या से समाधान तक with Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan.
Life is not about problems but solutions, and Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan can help you find those solutions. Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan is a Toronto-based astrologer, tarot reader, Reiki master, Feng Shui Vastu expert, and past life regressor, practicing since last 18 years in North America and Bollywood.
Vedic astrology and tarot cards can solve your problems. Just give me your date, time, and place of birth, and let me tell you what your problem is. जहाँ समस्या है, वहाँ समाधान भी है.
Call 1-888-266-5152.
समस्या से समाधान तक with Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan.
Viewers, thank you for the overwhelming response to समस्या से समाधान तक. आपके emails, आपके चिट्ठियां, आपके phone calls, they have been amazing. They have been a very positive feedback. Now to take this further, I am coming to New Jersey, New York in December. From 24th of December up to 28th of December, I will be in New Jersey, USA. Between these days, I will be conducting a tarot workshop for 5 days, which is a very good career. If you want to get into something that is a little alternate, you should consider a career, even if you want to do this part-time, or you want to learn how to read the tarot even for yourself. This is a very good opportunity. Come to our 5-day workshop. And then also on the same days, I will be conducting a Reiki workshop. The Reiki workshop is for levels 1 and 2. Basically for healing the mind, healing the physical body, and healing the spirit, healing the experiences that you have. So this is a healing workshop. Also, it goes very well with the tarot, but you could take the Reiki workshops separately. And also I am here for people in New Jersey to have a face-to-face personal reading. You have, of course, sent us all these overwhelming responses and requests for Skype, FaceTime readings and phone call readings, which we have been doing. But if you want to see me personally, I am in New York between 24th of December up to the 28th of December. So for the tarot 5-day workshop, for the Reiki level 1 and 2 5-day workshop, and for readings, astrology and tarot cards, please do call us at all these numbers to book your place for all these. See you there.
समस्या से समाधान तक with Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan.
Life is not about problems but solutions, and Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan can help you find those solutions. Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan is a Toronto-based astrologer, tarot reader, Reiki master, Feng Shui Vastu expert, and past life regressor, practicing since last 18 years in North America and Bollywood.
Vedic astrology and tarot cards can solve your problems. Just give me your date, time, and place of birth, and let me tell you what your problem is. जहाँ समस्या है, वहाँ समाधान भी है.
Call 1-888-266-5152. Life is not about problems but solutions, and Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan can help you find those solutions. Jyotish Dr. Nidhi Bhan is a Toronto-based astrologer, tarot reader, Reiki master, Feng Shui Vastu expert, and past life regressor, practicing since last 18 years in North America and Bollywood.
Vedic astrology and tarot cards can solve your problems. Just give me your date, time, and place of birth, and let me tell you what your problem is. जहाँ समस्या है, वहाँ समाधान भी है.
Call 1-888-266-5152.